Good day, I'm Jane M. Zalun, and today I will explain the Cybercrime Law RA 10195. Under the Chapter 5 Enforcement and Implementation, Section 20 Non-Compliance. Failure to comply with the provision of Chapter 5 hereof, specifically the orders from the law enforcement authorities, shall be punished as a violation of President Decree Number 1829, with imprisonment of prison correctional in its maximum period, or a fine of 100,000 pesos, or both, for each and every noncompliance with an order issued by law enforcement authorities. Under the Chapter 5 Jurisdiction, Section 21 Jurisdiction, the Regional Trial Court shall have jurisdiction over any violation of the provisions of this Act, including any violation committed by a Filipino national, regardless of the place of commission. Jurisdiction shall lie if any of the elements was committed within the Philippines or committed with the use of any computer system wholly or partly situated in the country, or when by such commission any damage is caused to a natural or juridical person who at the time the offense was committed was in the Philippines. Under the Chapter 6 International Cooperation, Section 22, General Principles Relating to International Cooperation. All relevant international instruments on international cooperation in criminal matters, arrangements agreed on the basis of uniform or reciprocal legislation, and domestic laws to the widest extent possible for the purpose of investigations or proceedings concerning criminal offenses related to computer system and data, or the collection of evidence in electronic form of a criminal offense shall be given full force and effect. Under the Chapter 7, Competent Authorities, Section 23, Department of Justice, there is hereby created an Office of Cybercrime designated as the central authority in all matters related to international mutual assistance and extradition. Section 24 Cybercrime Investigations and Coordinating Center. There is hereby created within 30 days from the effectivity of this Act an interagency body to be known as the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center, under the administrative supervision of the Office of the President for policy coordination among concerned agencies and for the formulation and enforcement of the National Cybersecurity Plan. Section 25 Composition. The CICC shall be headed by the Executive Director of the Information and Communication Technology Office under the Department of Science and Technology. As chairperson, with the Director of the NBI as vice chairperson, the Chief of the PNP, Head of the DOJ Office of Cybercrime, and one representative from the private sector and academy as members. The CICC shall be manned by a secretariat of selected existing personnel and representatives from the different participating agencies.